Hi, in this video, we'll explore Honeywell sensor evaluation kits and walk through how they help and quickly and easily evaluate sensor performance. Honeywell sensor evaluation kits are designed to connect specific Honeywell sensors to a user-provided Arduino Uno Rev 3 board. Once connected, free Honeywell software takes control of the Arduino to read sensor data, display it on a PC, and save it as a .csv file for further analysis. These kits, SEK001 and SEK002, are part of Honeywell's commitment to simplifying sensor evaluation and speeding up development. Kits for additional Honeywell sensors are currently in development. Honeywell sensor evaluation kits are a powerful tool for engineers, developers, and innovators looking to streamline their sensor integration process. Let's see how to locate this software. Go to Honeywell IA support portal. In the search window, type keywords like sensor evaluation kits. A list of related knowledge articles will be displayed. Identify the resource article in the list. Open the resource article. A resource article is typically a structured and exhaustive reference document that aggregates and indexes all pertinent content pieces related to a specific subject domain. For example, if you're looking for sensor evaluation kits of models SEK001 and SEK002, find the respective article and click the link. It will open the article. Go to the Files section, or you can scroll down and find the Answer/Solution section and find the link. Click on the link. Go to Resources and then Software. Select Sensor Evaluation Kit, SEB option. A dialog window titled "To download the user instructions and related software" will appear. Review the information provided in the dialog. Click the Accept button to confirm. Once accepted, click the blue Download button to initiate the file download. Thank you for watching.